Fix overheating on Samsung Galaxy A56 Quick Solution. Fix 1. Limit connectivity in apps. Step 1. Swipe down the quick panel. Turn off Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, GPS location when not in use. Step 2. Open Settings. Battery and Device Care. Optimize now to kill background tasks and free up resources. Step 3. In Battery Background Usage Limits. Enable Put unused apps to sleep. Fix 2. Lower display settings. Step 1. Go to Settings of Display. Turn off Adaptive, Auto, Brightness, and Lower Brightness manually. Step 2. If available, set refresh rate to standard instead of high for reduced power draw. Fix 3. Optimize charging habits. Step 1. Avoid using the phone while charging. If charging gets hot, disconnect and cool, then resume. Step 2. If using 45W or fast charging, turn off super fast charging under Settings, Battery, more battery settings. Step 3. For consistent heat, consider charging the phone turned off. A tip verified by Galaxy A56 users. Fix 4. Manage performance and rogue apps. Step 1. Switch performance mode to optimized rather than high under Battery and Device Care. Battery, more battery settings, processing speed. Step 2. Boot into safe mode. Hold power, long press power off. Tap safe mode to test if heat persists. If cool, uninstall problematic apps. Step 3. Check battery usage graph under Settings to identify apps consuming excess energy, restrict or remove them.